In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Adobe Reader on your laptop. Whether you're new to using Adobe Reader or simply need a refresher, I'll walk you through the steps in a clear and easy manner so you'll be up and running in no time. Let's start with a familiar feature on your desktop or laptop, the Start menu or the search function. You can find this on the lower left corner of your screen, marked by a Windows icon if you're on a Windows operating system. Clicking here gives you access to all the programs and files on your computer. It's your go-to tool whenever you're looking for any kind of application. If you're on a Mac, your equivalent will be the Spotlight search, which you can access by clicking the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your screen, or by pressing Command and Spacebar together. Now, if you've recently used Adobe Reader, there's a good chance it will appear under your recently used applications. This means you won't have to search for it again. Just look at the list that pops up after you hit the Start menu or open the search function and see if Adobe Reader is right there. It's a handy shortcut that can save you a bit of time. If Adobe Reader doesn't pop up automatically, don't worry. What you need to do is simply type Adobe Reader into the search bar. As you type, your computer will start suggesting matches based on what you input. Usually, by the time you've typed Adobe Reader will appear in the search results. Picking the right application is important, especially if you have multiple Adobe programs, such as Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, installed as well. Be sure you are selecting Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is sometimes its full name. Once you've found Adobe Reader in the search results, you're just one step away from opening it. With a simple double-click on the Adobe Reader icon, the application will begin to launch. You can also single-click on it and then press Enter if that's your preferred method. In a few moments, the main Adobe Reader window should appear, ready for you to begin viewing PDFs, annotating documents, or whatever you need to do. So, that's all there is to it. Opening Adobe Reader on your laptop is a straightforward process when you know where to look and what to click. Just remember, use the Start menu or search function, check your recent applications, and double-click to open. Now you can easily access your PDF files and start working with Adobe Reader efficiently. Stay tuned for more tech tips and guides.